Hello guys! She wasn't even filming, but thank God she's filming.
I was filming. I thought I wasn't filming. We're on the road again. So we are going to a place. Jeff's looking at me.
Devil's Path?
Devil's Path. It's beside the place where we went to Devil's Throat. Devil's Path. But we missed the turn off. Well, Ned missed the turn off. I told him what road it was, but didn't listen. So now we have our little GPS thing. Not GPS, Google Maps. It's hot.
It's hot.
Hot. We're turning corners and wait till I show you this view. I won't talk to you when I put you out the window because you won't be able to hear me. But I will see you, we will see you when we get to
Devil's Path.
the Devil's Path. Bye guys. Three, two, one. Over here.
I remember that.
Do you need me to turn this off then?
The GPS, yeah.
Do you want me to turn the camera off too?
No.
Тук, ясно. Този маршрут трябва да го минете. Докато това е другия паркинг.
Да.
Надяво сте пътека. Ако искате, може да вас закараме от горната точка да остане тук и да може да се направите, идвайки по вашия автомобил.
Hello guys, we're on a safari jeep going up to the track. So I'm going to film it on the GoPro. Ned's carrying the water.
Да, родопска музика слуша ли?
Слуша всичко.
Bulgarian music. Jenny Mac, do you have to jump?
Хареса има, нали?
Hello guys, we are just off the safari jeep. I'm just after running to that little toilet there. It was absolutely spotless. And we're at the Devil's Path. And that safari jeep was so cool. I've gone on one of them like once or twice before, but it was really good. First time on going with Ned, so it was very nice. And the trip up was lovely. Really windy and my eyes were watering. Didn't look too good, but the views were beautiful. But we're at the Devil's Path. Can you see that little circle thing there? That's the entrance to it. We're not sure how long the walk actually is. There's like a big walk and then there's like a smaller little walk. So we're doing the smaller one. I think it's only about maybe an hour and 30 minutes. So we're going to do that. We have some food in the backpack and yeah. But it's hot, very hot. And I have my little backpack on, this little top. Everything is from the second-hand shop. We have a friend coming to say hello. Hello. What do we call you? Roxy? Roxy?
We'll call him
Hello.
Fred.
Hello. Mr. Baby. Okay, we're going to give the key back. Are you coming, Roxy? Can you see? We're going to give the key back for the toilet and then we're going to head on the walk. Aren't we?
That is right. See you
That
on
is
the-
the truth.
That's the thing.
That's the thing. Okay, see you on the other side of the little circle thing. Bye guys. little house that they built years ago. Oh no, what? He's looking it up, he's gonna tell me the right thing. Never mind, scratch that, Sarah. Tar, coal tar.
This is like the...
That's what that is.
Yeah, in the past.
In the house.
In the house, yeah.
Oh.
And it's built pretty much the way that they built houses in the past.
Yes.
And
So this is the way they would have built it in the past.
yeah,
All open like this.
all open, yeah, like the little yard, yeah. And
It's beautiful, isn't it?
imagine this.
And what's he
this
doing?
was the owner probably.
Oh, straight. Like it's all woven. What's his name? Oh, I should have sat on that side.
Thank you.
Yeah, to the whole 110 subscribers. 110, did you hear that? Hello guys, we are on the walk and we found a waterfall. Can you see? Are we going to walk down to it?
Yeah,
Do you want to go first?
definitely. We're not taking a shower this night.
No, not yet. Golden Turkish coins. The Tree of Luck. Here in the first half of 20th century, a local resident has found 157 golden Turkish coins. It's a nice tree, isn't it? We're going to touch the tree. The golden willow tree. Leave it on top of yours.
On top of mine.
On top of yours. Are you going to do a demonstration?
Yeah. This is the small circle,
Okay.
but here, this bit, we cannot go through that.
Oh, the bridge
The
is
bridge
closed.
is closed.
So we'd have to swim.
He said that, yeah, but not today, next time.
Not today.
I don't have the swimming thing.
No, I don't have my armbands with me.
Oh yeah. Here we're doing that thing.
Oh, and then going that way.
And then going here.
And then we end up back at the car.
Yeah.
Are you keeping that stick with you?
Yeah, do you want the other one?
No.
I'm looking like more wise with this stick.
Yeah, if you say so.
And just my beard is missing.
Your beard and all your sheep behind you.
Yeah. Come on,
They're coming.
come on.
Heidi.
Hi, hi. Hi, yeah.
Devil's Bridge. So this is it. Okay, I have my stick and we're going up. It's pretty steep. It's not really a bridge, but maybe it's a bridge on the other side. Oh my goodness. Oh, Ned.
They have like a little bench. You can sit
Yeah,
and rest.
yeah.
This way it's Devil's Bridge, which we will take.
Okay. Oh, what's that?
That was this.
Honey. Look. Ugh.
And they have the Bulgarian flag. Represent our country and everything. This thing here.
Don't do that. And is that stable? Yeah.
It is.
Are you sure? Well, I go first.
Like
I'm scared.
You're strong enough.
That's really steep, isn't it? And you just come out up the other side.
Yeah, and then doing like a circle. Alright guys, I hope we see each other again. I am.
We're nearly there. Right, I'll get you this time. I don't like it.
I was holding for dear life. Overcome girl.
We made it! Woo! Thank God.
I was holding
Thank
for dear
God.
life.
That was pretty scary. I'm kind of scared of heights, so that was alright. It was good. At least Ned was holding the camera and I wasn't, because I don't think I would have been able to do it if I was. So that was really good. But, whew. What do you mean it's not just that?
There is some more steps like
Oh
that.
my god, yeah, it's down the very bottom. I'm not going to film here because it's too steep, but we will see you when we get down to the bottom.
See you there.
Well, we just done them steps, guys, and it wasn't very nice. It was very, very hard and very steep, and none of them are straight. Now we're going to go down here. And we have to go all the way around here, and then I don't know where to go. Ned's going to be my cameraman. That was scary.
It was, yeah.
Thanks.
It was.
I pretended I fell on the last step, and I was like,
I'm getting better.
you are getting better. I don't know who looks better in this camera, you or me?
I think.
Me.
Yeah.
Thanks. Is that a broken step? Oh my god. Scary looking.
3 caves we found. Little caves.
People broke their nails there too. Do you think it has an echo? Someone built a little stone castle. Yeah.